Welcome back to my daily Tesla briefing. I hope everyone's doing wonderful. I'm glad I'm able to get back to you with a briefing today after 2 days. We all by now know that the quorum of the House couldn't be met due to the recent walkout by some cheaters. Anyhow, let's get straight to our business for today. So chaired respectively by Honorable Speaker Kimpustam Tempela and Deputy Speaker Domatrinla, the 7th day of the 17th Tibetan Parliament-in-Exile's 4th session convened at 9:30 as per business. Honorable Speaker explained that the two legislation proposals in regards with the Tibetan Supreme Justice Commission and swearing-in articles amendments brought in by Chitu Gune will be postponed until a favorable time. The session today covered deliberation on Parliament's Review Committee, a report on Kanjo Development Finance Private Limited, that's Kanjo Penjo Shepshukhang. Then continuation of debate on the 2021 to 2022's overall reports of the Department of Homes, and finally deliberation on the undertaking of the Department of Finance, Penjo Lekhung's concise 2021 to 2022's overall annual report respectively. The session commenced with a report presentation of Parliament's Review Committee on the financial scope and risks faced by Kanjo Penjo Shepshukhang under Department of Finance. The report was presented by the committee's secretary, Chitu Sedatsurumla. With the initiation of motion for debate on the review committee's report, 11 Chitu tabled the concerns and argumentations, followed by clarifications by Honorable Sikyong, the incumbent Penjo Kale, and review committee's secretary and a member. I actually encourage you to watch the morning sitting on Tibet TV to hear the deliberation that will help you form your own opinion on the matter and clarification that you need. So an official motion and resolution on the operation of Kanjo Penjo Shepshukhang will be tabled tomorrow for voting by the House. Following the day's business, the session continued with deliberation on the undertaking of the Department of Homes, Nangsil Henga, Nangsil Legung from the previous sittings. The members addressed on the report and tabled queries which were duly answered by Sikyong, the incumbent Kalyo of Department of Homes. The issues that we raised ranged from organic farming projects, implementation of Tibetan rehabilitation policy of 2014 in some Tibetan settlements in India, aids and benefits for older Tibetan adults, housing facilities for newly arrived Tibetans, and many more issues. Hereafter, Sikyong Pembatsirla, the incumbent Kalyo of Department of Finance, presented the department's concise 2021 to 2022's annual report, issues on undertaking of Women Empowerment Desk, online Green Book contribution, loan programs undertaken by the department, and other issues were highlighted during the deliberation. The House today adjourned at 7 p.m. until 9:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. So this is it for today. Today has been a very long day, but the fact that we could come back together and ensure that we could complete the general session of 2022 is important. And I believe that we all must agree upon the fact that CTA and the Tibetan Parliament-in-Exile is a democratic parliament where everyone has the right to walk out. We also have a responsibility as Tibetan parliamentarians, democratically elected Tibetan parliamentarians, to ensure that our responsibility towards the House, towards the Parliament, and the welfare of the Tibetan people can be addressed during the House. So I'm glad we were able to host the Tibetan Parliament back today. we have 2 more days to ensure that we complete the reports of various departments. And yeah, so it was all tiring but fruitful day. So yeah, this is it for today. I'll see you all tomorrow for the daily briefings. Let's say it.